Hi guys! So today you're going to need some bleach, yes, some gloves, some Ritz dye. This is tan and I got it from Target for like $4. Then you're going to need a tool that you can use for mixing. It doesn't have to be a spoon. And you're also going to need some hot water, or the hottest water that you can get. And of course, you're going to need some jeans. I got these from Zara for $7.99. They're really cute. So, let's get to it. But before we get started, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and check out my Instagram. Okay, so I am going to put the clog into the sink and I'm gonna go get some hot water. Okay. Woo! Hot! So I'm gonna pour some hot water into the sink. That's definitely not enough hot water, so I'm gonna fill it with some more. Okay, I'm impatient, that's enough. Then we're gonna fill the other half of the amount of water that we just put in with bleach.
Glove World.
Now I'm just gonna mix that up with my spoon. Being careful not to splash. And now I'm going to place my jeans in there. Just make sure it's all the way submerged. And now we're probably going to wait 15 or 30 minutes and come back and check on it and just swoosh it around. Okay, so it's probably been about 15 minutes. And now I'm just going to swoosh it around because I can see that there's some spots that are still pretty dark. Like you can see. Okay, so it's probably been an hour and I'm going to put my gloves back on and I'm going to drain all the water and bleach out. Now with cold water, I'm going to wash all the bleach off. Okay, so I left the house for a little while and I set these up to dry, and now I'm going to go get some more boiling water. Okay, now it's time to add the dye. Oh, the top. I have no idea how much I want to add, but I added all of it. Okay, so this step's optional, but they said pour in like a cup of salt. So I'm gonna do that. And they also said to add like a teaspoon of detergent, so I'm gonna just do that too, see if it works. Now I need my spoon to mix it up. Now I'm gonna put my gloves back on so I don't have dye on my hands forever. Been there. Dip them in. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this here for about 30 minutes. Come check on it. Probably flip them over and then leave them in for another 30 minutes. Okay, it's been 30 minutes, so I'm going to flip them over. Okay, it's been 1 hour. So they've sat for long enough. And this is how they're looking. They're gonna be darker since they're wet. And they're gonna get lighter once we put them in the dryer. Okay, now we're gonna rinse off with cold water. And we're gonna keep rinsing until the water that's running off is clear. Okay, now I'm going to pick up the pants and put them into the dryer. I'm going to put it on a low setting. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I really appreciate you guys. Bye!